Hey there, thanks for tuning in. Now, if you're watching this video, you probably saw our other video where we introduced ourselves and our space. And now maybe you've booked a service with us. And this video is going to be really helpful to walk you through step by step what to expect when you receive a service with us and where to go from there. Like we mentioned before, you will receive a confirmation email where you'll receive specific instructions on how to find us. So make sure to give yourselves at least a 5 to 10 minute buffer when you arrive here in downtown to park, to pay for your meter. I recommend ideally the night before, kind of mapping it out, seeing where we're at, and making sure that you're not gonna get lost in the process, because we are booked back to back and we wanna make sure that we're not only on time for you, but for our other guests. When you arrive here, the door will be securely locked and we will buzz you in, and you'll be able to come in here, sit down on the chair we have at the end of the hallway, and we will be with you as soon as possible. Our goal is to be on time. We know you have busy lives and we also have a busy schedule as well. So we'll be sure to check in with you, offer you maybe some water, refreshments. Please keep in mind we are single office suites. We don't have a waiting area. We are individually managing our own books and timing. And so we ask that you give us a little bit more grace. So if our doors are closed, please be sure to, not enter into the rooms, because we're probably most likely with a guest, and we will be with you as soon as possible. When you come in for your appointment, we will instruct you on how to properly be dressed, what to expect, and we will be going over with you a confidential client intake and liability waiver. We do require this every single service, only to make sure that you are as safe as possible for your service. We want you to have the best results and experience possible. Come prepared with any questions or concerns you have about your skin, and let us know if there's any treatments in particular you'd be interested in learning more about. Your comfort is our highest priority, so do not be shy in asking for any adjustments during the service. Each of our facials come with a double cleanse, customized exfoliation, extractions, masking, and massaging. We do offer enhancements and will offer what we deem is appropriate for your skin. After your facial, you may appear a little red and irritated from the treatment. Do not be concerned, as this is normal and will subside. We also offer a loyalty and referral program for our guests, so make sure we give you your card before you leave. We will instruct you on how to take care of your skin at home, and it is vital for your skin's health and results to follow these instructions. And be prepared to get professional skincare recommendations. We like to say our treatments are only effective if followed up with proper home care. And for serious clients, we'd love to see you at least every 4 to 6 weeks to see changes in the skin. This means rebooking will be essential. Our books get filled quickly, so come prepared with knowledge of your schedule 4 to 6 weeks from your appointment date. Lastly, we'd love your honest feedback. It helps us as a small business to receive these reviews on our Yelp and Google profiles. Let us know you did this, and you'll receive a small discount at your next service. How should you prepare for your skin or body care service? We ask that you do not use any active acids, retinol, vitamin A, or topical prescriptions on the area at least 5 days before and after your service. It is not recommended to get wax on the face or area to be treated at least 3 days prior or after the service. Botox or Dysport injections must be done at least 3 days before or after your service. And collagen fillers, depending where they were administered, particularly on the face, need to be done at least 2 weeks prior or as instructed by your physician. Laser hair removal or laser treatments on the face or body part must be done also at least 2 weeks prior or after your service. And please do not come in with an active cold sore or open lesion on the skin. You will be turned away and asked to reschedule. For men, do not shave the day of or the day before or after your facial.
Hi guys, I'm Kristen D, a licensed esthetician here at Radiance. I'm going to walk you through how to prepare for your wax appointment. Your first step is you're going to want to exfoliate at least a day prior to your appointment, because that does help get all your dead skin off so that your waxing experience is a lot better and you get cleaner results. And we ask that you please avoid using any retinols or any topical prescriptions and acids in the area that you're going to get waxed at least 5 days prior and after your appointment. And laser hair removal should only be done at least 2 weeks prior to your wax appointments or as directed. For clients using Accutane, you should avoid waxing for 6 to 12 months and consult with your dermatologist before coming in to get waxed. Please disclose any new medications and antibiotics prior to your service. If you are pregnant, you can still get waxed. We just ask that you let us know so that we can prepare the proper accommodations for you. And whenever you come to see me for a wax, I will be going over aftercare with you for your specific skin needs. I do also offer facials, booty facials, and back facials to help prevent any acne, and ingrown hairs. And I do recommend that you avoid shaving in between appointments because that will off-put your hair cycle and you will also not get the smoothest results possible. Come prepared to pre-book for your appointments every 4 to 6 weeks. We'll see you soon.
And feel free to contact us directly again if you have any specific questions or concerns regarding your service. We look forward to seeing you, and I'll see you guys in the other video. See you in the next one.